How to log in to Chase Bank online account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Chase Bank online account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in chase.com. This is the official URL of Chase Bank. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Chase Bank. Here in this page, you will be able to locate the login interface at the right side. Here you will be prompted to enter the username and password in the respected fields. Click on this username field and enter your username of your Chase Bank account in this field. After that, in the second field, click on it and enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After entering the password, you can also click on this show option at the right side to reveal it and check if you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want your login credentials to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this Remember Me checkbox right here. Now after that, you can click on this sign in button right here. If in case you don't remember your username or password, you may also click on this forget username or password option just below the sign in button, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover them. After recovering it, enter the correct credentials and click on the sign in button. After that, you will be able to log in to your Chase Bank online account. Also, if you haven't created an account here, you may also click on this Open an Account button at the left side, or you can click on this Not Enrolled Sign Up Now option just below Forget Username and Password link. So, by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Chase Bank online account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.